Any idea about collision in broadcast domain?
No, sir.
No. Okay, what do you mean by collision? Just look at the word and tell me what exactly is the meaning of collision. What do you understand by this word? Just forget about the definition. Just tell me about this collision. What do you mean by collision?
Colliding at same path.
Okay, collision comes from the word collide, right? Right?
Yeah, yes.
Very good. Anyone else? What do you mean by domain?
Domains means within a network or within a area.
Very good. Who is this? Muhammad, right? Or Ranjit?
Pankaj.
Okay, Pankaj. All right, one second. Let me explain the chat. I'm able to see. Okay, so very good. Domain means area under single administration. We can say that in the layman term, area under single administration, right? Domain. And collision means it comes from the word collide. So you can say that how many collisions can be possible in a domain? Collision domain means how many collisions can be possible in a domain. If you want to note down the definition, you can note it down like this. Collision domain defines how many devices can send or receive a packet at the same time. Guys, if you want to note down the definition, please note it down like this.
Yes, sir.
Collision domain defines how many devices can send or receive packets at the same time.
Sir, can you please repeat it?
Collision domain defines how many devices can send or receive a packet at the same time.
How many devices can send?
Got it?
Yes, sir. Go over again, sir, please.
Okay, dear. Once again, I'm repeating, it's collision domain. I'm telling about the definition of collision domain. Collision domain defines how many, just focus on this word, how many devices can send or receive packet at the same time. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, here we have used a term, how many. Okay, so just remember this word, how many. Now come to the broadcast domain. What is broadcast domain? What do you mean by broadcast? What do you mean by broadcast? Anyone?
Sending packet
One to
to all within an area or within a domain.
Very good, Pankaj. Anyone else?
sending a message.
Broadcast mean like a flood.
Okay, flood. Very good. Dependra is saying my voice is very low. Guys, my voice is low. Is it?
It's okay, sir.
It's fine for me.
Dipendra,
Yeah, same here.
check your like speaker. I think there is some issue with your headphone or speaker because everyone else is getting my voice clearly. Right now, what is
Okay.
broadcast? Okay, there is three term. In fact, four term. I'm just telling you: unicast, broadcast, multicast, and anycast. Okay. What do you mean by unicast? Unicast means 1 to 1. If I am saying and someone is listening, only one person is listening, it means 1 to 1, unicast. Okay. I am saying someone is listening, it is unicast. Broadcast means I am saying you all are able to listen me, it means I am broadcasting. Okay. Multicast, if I am saying but a group of people is able to hear me but a group of people is unable to hear me, that is multicast. Okay. And what is anycast? Anycast basically comes in only IPv6. It means 1 to nearest. If I am saying and the nearest one is listening, that's anycast. Okay. This only applicable in IPv6. In IPv6 we do not have broadcast. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah,
Now
got it.
what is broadcast domain? Just like collision domain, collision means how many, just like that broadcast means how far. In a layman term you can say how far. So if you want to note down the definition, please make a note. Broadcast domain defines how far a broadcast will travel before it stops.
What, sir?
Broadcast domain defines how far a packet will travel before it stops.
How far packet travel?
Any
Sir, after
confusion in understanding these terms? I'm not going through any books or any slides. I'm just telling you my understanding. What is collision domain and what is broadcast domain? So collision means how many. Okay, I will give you the example right now. So collision means how many and broadcast means how far. Is it simple? Is it clear?
sir, please repeat the definition of
Okay,
broadcast.
broadcast domain defines how far a packet will travel before it stops.
Okay, sir.
Everyone? Yes.
Please explain the broadcast.
Yeah, Mr. Krishna,
Yes.
excuse me. What of the multicast?
Multicast means one to many. One to many.
Okay,
Means if I am saying
okay.
if there is 10 people, okay. If I'm saying
Yes, sir.
2 or 3 is able to hear me but rest all 7 is unable to hear me, that is I'm multicasting.
Too many collisions, sir. I can able to understand.
One to many. Okay.
Sir,
Done. Should I proceed further now? Should I proceed further? Now, just make a note. Hub device. Okay. Guys, everyone please like turn off your camera. Okay. Here. So we have hub. We have a switch. We have a router. So hub device has one collision domain and one broadcast domain. Okay. hub has one collision domain and one broadcast domain. Okay. Switch has multiple collision domain and single broadcast domain. But here is a condition apply. In switch, we have a condition apply. If we are creating VLAN, then number of VLAN equal to number of broadcast.
Sir, what is broadcast? Sir, please tell.
Got it?
Sir, in the switch, each port have
Single collision
right?
domain. Every port has its own collision domain, but the entire switch has only one broadcast domain. I'll come into that. I will come into that. So just make a note like this. Hub has one collision domain and one broadcast domain. Switch has multiple collision domain and single broadcast domain. There's a condition apply. If we are creating VLAN on a switch, then number of VLAN will be equal to number of broadcast domain. Okay?
Sir, what, sir?
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, who is this?
Hello?
Yes, who is this? I can hear you. ABCD. Your name is showing ABCD here. What's your name, brother? Hello.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Ranjit. Yes, Prishan.
सर मैं कह रहा था सर सर ये कंडीशन अप्लाई मींस व्हाट सर
अगर हम लोग स्विच में कोई VLAN नहीं बना रहे हैं, if we are not creating any VLAN on the switch, then
ओके
we have multiple collision, means how many ports we are using. Suppose I have connected, we have a switch, we have connected 3 PC over here. So the collision domain would be 1, 2, 3, but broadcast would be 1. All right. But if we have created VLAN and we have created 3 VLAN, then number of broadcast will be 1, 2, 3, 3 broadcast domain.
सर सर प्लीज एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इज ब्रॉडकास्ट सर
I'm not getting your voice clear, Ranjit.
सर ब्रॉडकास्ट प्लीज एक्सप्लेन द ब्रॉडकास्ट सर समझ नहीं आ रहा
Broadcast
सर
means how far your, like if you're sending a packet, how far your packet will travel before it stops. Okay, I will come into it. You will I will explain and you will get to know each and everything. Wait for a few minutes, okay? Once I'll complete the topic, then ask me like if there is any doubt or not, okay?
ओके सर
Now, router has multiple collision and multiple broadcast. Okay,
मल्टीपल कॉलिजन
multiple collision and multiple broadcast.
फिजिकल थिंग और लॉजिकल
Got it?
हेलो
Yes, Ranjit.
सर ये इट इज फिजिकल और लॉजिकल मींस कॉलिजन और ब्रॉडकास्ट मींस
It's a logical, brother.
ओके सर
Physical means like you can see
And touch.
the thing, you can see and touch, but it's a logical thing.
ओके सर बस यही मेरे कंफ्यूजन थी
Okay. Now, I'm just giving some example and we will try to understand how many collisions and how many broadcast domain is there in that scenario.
One
Okay.
thing, hello?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes,
One thing,
Krishna.
router, router have only one broadcast domain and only how many ports the router have that much collision domain. Is it correct?
Multiple collision and multiple broadcast. It means like if router
Not
has
multiple broadcasts because router
one second,
breaks the
one
broadcast
second,
domain.
one second, one second. if you have connected 3 devices, okay, here we have different network, here we have different network, here we have different network. So how many collision and how many broadcast we have here?
Hello.
Yes, Krishna.
On the switch point of view or on the router point of view?
Router, I'm talking about in this scenario, okay, we do not have any
Hello.
device connected as of now.
Hello,
There
sir.
there is a 3 broadcast domain
Uh-huh.
and 3 collision domain.
So
1, 2,
that
3.
is what I'm telling you. If we are using 3 ports of a router, it means we have 3 collision over here and 3 broadcast on each port, right? Am I right, Krishna?
Yes, sir.
So that is what I'm trying to explain, multiple collision and multiple broadcast. Is it clear now? Krishna?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Good. Now, let us come to some scenario and we will try to understand how many collisions and how many broadcasts we have in that scenario, okay? Let me give you some example.
Hello.
Yes, Ranjit. Yes, Ranjit, tell me. Any query? No. Okay. So now I'm just trying to draw some scenario. We have a router. I'm having a hub. And it is connected with 3 PC. Now, tell me the collision and broadcast. How many collision and how many broadcast we have here? Everyone.
Three collision and 3 broadcast.
Everyone.
Hello.
How many collision and how many broadcast which we have here?
Sir, 5 collision domains have and 2
Make sure
broadcast
we are
domains.
using hub here. Okay. Make sure we are using hub. This is the symbol of hub.
Okay. So 2 collision domain, 2 broadcast domain.
Okay. Anyone else?
4 collision domain.
4
And 1
collision
broadcast.
and
1 broadcast.
1 broadcast. Anyone else? Anyone? Guys, just try. Hello. Ranjit, Avinash, Dipendra, I want everyone's activity here. Jyoti, Roshni, everyone. I have explained what is collision domain, what is broadcast domain.
Hello.
So now we have a scenario. Yes.
Sir, did you get my answer?
Yes, I can. Okay, you have written there, right?
Yeah.
You said, Dilsat, you said 1 collision. Dilsat.
2 collision, 2 broadcast.
Okay, Dilsat says 2 collision, 2 broadcast. Okay. Anyone else?
हेलो
Yes, Avinash.
सर मुझे ये पूछना था कि कोलिजन ज्यादा हैं और ब्रॉडकास्ट है कि इनको हम आपस में किस तरीके से रिलेट करेंगे कि जैसे स्विच में ज्यादा कोलिजन डोमेन हैं और एक ब्रॉडकास्ट डोमेन है
हाँ हाँ
थोड़ी इसकी क्लियर अंडरस्टैंडिंग नहीं हुई मुझे कि
अभी हम उस पे आए नहीं है ब्रदर
अच्छा
अभी हम लोग उस पे आए नहीं है अभी तो हम लोगों ने सिर्फ ये समझा है कि व्हाट इज कॉलिजन डोमेन व्हाट इज ब्रॉडकास्ट डोमेन अभी हम डिवाइसेस के ऊपर आएंगे कि व्हाई वी यूज स्विच इंस्टेड ऑफ हब और ब्रिज तो जब हम उसमें आएंगे और व्हाई वी क्रिएट वीलैन तब आपको वो समझ में आएगी
अच्छा सही है
ओके
ओके ओके
ओके
So for hub it will be means like one collision domain for single port, no? It would be.
entire hub device is under single collision domain. If we are using hub, there will be only one collision domain. So here we already have a router. So we have one collision domain here. Okay. And the same collision domain because we are using hub. So the same collision domain will work over here as well, because this device has this port as well, this port, this port, this port. So this collision domain and this collision domain is under same. So there is only one collision domain and one broadcast domain. Got my point?
So yeah, I understood that collision domain, broadcast domain. Can you just explain one more time?
Hub, like if we are using hub, there is only one broadcast domain and one collision domain, right?
Correct.
Router also have its own collision domain and broadcast domain on each and every port. So if
Yes,
we are
yes.
using this port over here, if we have connected a network on this port, so ultimately there
Yes.
is a one collision and one broadcast running, and hub is also in the same network, so it will not create any other collision domain for its own, because it will work
Okay,
only one
got
collision
it.
domain, right? And one broadcast
Yeah,
domain.
got
So
it.
the same collision and same broadcast domain will work in the entire network here. But instead of router, hub, if we connect a switch over here, then what will be the scenario? Now, tell me guys. Now here we have a switch.
Sir, how many VLAN in this?
No VLAN, simple network. We have a router,
Okay, sir.
we have a
Okay,
switch,
okay.
and it is connected with 3 different ports.
So like in previous example, how many collision and how many broadcast domain are there?
One collision, one broadcast.
In the previous example.
Yes. Here we have one collision and one broadcast.
4 collision domain here.
Sir, what is your question? Could you please repeat?
In this scenario, like in the second scenario, we have a router which is connected with a switch, and 3 PCs are connected with 3 different ports of a switch. Now we have how many collision and how many broadcast domain in this network?
4 collision and 1 broadcast.
Who says this? Pankaj.
Pankaj.
4 and 1.
Everyone?
4 and 1, yeah.
4 and 1?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I think so. I think too.
What 2? Broadcast or collision?
For collision, 1 broadcast.
4 collision, 1 broadcast. 4 collision,
Yes.
1 broadcast, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Apart from this 4 collision, 1 broadcast, is there anyone who
Hello?
has? Yes.
Sir, 2 broadcast or 4 collision, I think.
Ranjit. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Any
sir.
different answer from this 4 collision, 1 broadcast and 4 collision, 2 broadcast? Any different answer from anyone?
Sir, 4 collision, 2 broadcast.
Yes, 4 collision, 2 broadcast. Ranjit says, right?
Yes, sir. 4 collision, 2 broadcast.
For collision to broadcast. Okay.
The correct answer should be 4 collision and 1 broadcast.
1 broadcast. And that 1 broadcast is of router, right?
Router has its own,
No,
own
switch.
broadcast, but switch will not break the broadcast until unless we have a VLAN.
VLAN, yes.
So the same broadcast will work in the entire network, but switch has its own collision domain on each and every port. So that is why we have 1 collision, 2 collision, 3 collision, 4 collision domain and 1 broadcast domain.
Sir,
Okay.
why 1 broadcast mean?
Everyone?
Sir, we have 4 collision domains. 3 are those which are connected with PCs, and the one that is connected with router.
Yes.
And the one that and how many broadcasts you said? 2 broadcasts.
One broadcast.
One, and then 1 broadcast is from the router that move towards the switch.
Router has all ports, like router we have multiple broadcast domain on multiple ports. So in this port we have a broadcast domain, and switch has 1 broadcast. If we connect only the PC over here with a switch, okay, then we can say there is a 1 broadcast domain. But if already a broadcast is running from the router, that switch will come under same broadcast domain, so it will not break any broadcast until unless
Okay.
we will create the VLAN. The same scenario
Okay,
which
now
is
I-
here, right?
Right, sir. Got it.
Everyone got it?
No, sir.
Yes. Thank you.
Very good. Now let us come to more few examples. Suppose we have a router here. It is connected with a PC. Then we have a switch as well here, and it is connected with 3 PCs.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Avinash, Ranjit.
I'm not understanding, sir.
Any question?
Sir, please explain the first, second one.
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Sir, please explain second one.
Explain the
Second
second
question.
one.
Yes, sir.
We have one router with one switch with 3 devices, right?
Yes, sir.
As we all know that router has its
Yeah.
own collision and broadcast domain on each and every port, right?
Yes, sir.
Switch has multiple collision on multiple ports, okay, and single
Yes.
collision domain until and unless we will create the VLAN. If we are creating VLAN on switch, then it will break the broadcast domain, and then the scenario will be number of VLANs will be equal to number of broadcast. But in this scenario, we do not have any VLAN here. So the entire network, entire switch will work in the single broadcast, which is already running from router, right?
Okay.
Got it? So there will be one broadcast and one collision, 4 collision. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now let us come to the third scenario where we have one router connected with 2 PCs directly, and the third port is connected with a switch having 3 PCs connected over there. Now tell me how many collision domain is there in the entire network and how many broadcast domain is there?
4 collision, 3
and
broadcasts.
broadcast.
How many VLAN in
There is no any VLAN.
VLAN 1 only.
4 collision and 3
So
broadcast.
for me,
Uh-huh.
for me, six collision, 3 broadcast.
Very good. Any different answer from there? Any different answer?
Sir, 6 collision and 3 broadcast.
I'm not getting your voice, dear. Like, please say loudly.
hello,
Yes.
hello. Sir, 6 collision.
Yes, Avinash,
Hello?
Bilikush.
Sir, 4
We
collision
have
and 3 broadcast.
3 broadcasts, 4 collision.
Sir, 6.
4
We
collision, 3
have 3
broadcasts.
broadcasts,
Okay, one
4
second, one
collision.
Collision
Hello.
and broadcast. So someone is
Sir?
saying 3 collision and yes, Bilikushi.
4. We have 3 collision, then 4 broadcasts, sir.
Okay, 3 and 4. Apart from this, anyone
Yes.
has different answer?
Yes, yes, sir, I am.
Yes. What is that?
Sir, 6 collision and 3 broadcast.
6 collision, 3 broadcast. Okay. Any different answer from this?
Yeah, 4 collision and 3 broadcast.
3 broadcast.
4 collision and 3 broadcast.
3
Okay.
broadcast.
4 collision, 3 broadcasts.
Any different answer from this? 3 collision, 4 broadcast, 6 collision, 3 broadcast, 4 collision, 3 broadcast. Any different answer apart from this? Anyone? No?
Yeah, 3 collision.
Now,
4 collision.
let us check. We have, first of all, we are checking just collision, okay? 1 collision, 2 collision, 3 collision. As we have a switch, so 4 collision, 5 and 6. So we have 6 collision, okay? Got it? 6 collision because we are using switch here, and on each and every port of a switch will work under different collision domain. Got my point? Is it clear to all? Now come to the broadcast. We have a router here. So router has on each and every port, let me change the color here. So we have a router, and router has different broadcast on different ports. So one broadcast is here, two broadcast is here, and three broadcast is here. But as the switch is connected with the network with the router, so the same broadcast will work in the entire network. So one broadcast, two broadcast, and three broadcast. So whoever says 6 collision and 3 broadcast, they are correct. Any question from this? Anyone? Any doubt? Any doubt?
Yes,
Guys,
regarding the
I am
yeah,
going
regarding
to, yes, Krishna.
Pankaj here.
Yes, Pankaj.
Regarding the router, can you please explain once what will be the for a router? What will be the collision and broadcast?
For router, all different ports will work under different collision and different broadcast. Means how many ports are in use, number of ports in use is equal to number of collision domain and number of broadcast domain.
Okay.
Got it? As
Okay.
simple as that.
Okay,
Number of
means
used ports. Sir, you said a number of used ports, right?
Yes.
That means
If we
unassigned
have
ports.
4 ports, but I'm not connected any devices here, okay? So
Yeah.
it will not create any collision, any broadcast. These 3 ports are in use. These 3 ports are in use. So number of collision would be 3, number of broadcast would be 3.
Perfect, sir. I got it.
Any other query? Pankaj, is it clear now?
Hello.
yeah.
Yes,
If we router if we have 2 ports are used, then we have 2 broadcast and 2 collision domain. That's
Yes.
it.
Yes.
After that,
Okay,
it also
thanks.
depends on the switch. After that, it also depends on the switch. Right now, we are not creating any VLANs over here. But if we will create VLAN over here, so the broadcast will be divided into that. Okay. So we
Yes.
will come into that. Just wait for a few more minutes. Any query till now?
Hello.
No, it's okay.
Yes, Ranjit.
Sir, where is it used?
Sorry.
मीन्स ये कहाँ वर्क करता है सर? मेरे ये समझ नहीं आ रहा मीन्स
अरे भाई जब हम लोग पढ़ेंगे ना, जब इसके आगे हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि हम लोग why we use switch instead of hub. Okay, what is the difference between hub and switch? If we are getting like what is hub and what is switch? Hub and switch both used to provide the connectivity to the end devices, but instead of hub,
yes, sir.
we are using switch. Why exactly we are using switch? What is the benefit of using switch? Or switch and bridge both works on layer 2, but still we recommended switch instead of bridge. Why? Then you will get to know what exactly the benefit of understanding this collision domain and broadcast domain.
So
Yes,
then
Jyoti,
it
you
was-
have a doubt. Ask me, Jyoti.
No, actually, I was not able to hear you. So last time it was like 6 collision domain and 3 broadcast domain, correct?
Yes, in this scenario, we have a 6 collision domain and 3 broadcast domain.
Yeah, okay, nice.
Okay, any other query from anyone?
Sir,
People
could you
ask
please give a brief overview of bridge?
Definitely, I will
Because
come into
I-
that. I will come into that. Wait for a few seconds. Let me clear one topic, then I will come into that.
I think it was covered before because I just joined your lecture now. That's why I'm
No,
asking.
no. I will come into that. Okay. So
Okay,
is it
okay.
clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Let us take last example. Okay. Okay. We have a router here, and we have a switch over here, and we have a hub over here, and then this is connected with 3 Okay, and this router is also connected with 2 PC. This switch also connected with 2 PC. Okay. Now tell me how many collision domain and how many broadcast domain are there?
Six collision
6 collision.
Okay.
and three broadcast.
1 second.
6 collision, 4
Collision
5 broadcast.
broadcast. 6 collision, 3 broadcast, 6 collision, 5 broadcast. Any difference from that?
Sir, 7 collision.
7 collision and broadcast?
वेट सर ब्रॉडकास्ट अभी काउंट कर रहा हूँ सर.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, time. Any difference?
7 collision. 7 collision.
7 collision.
7 collision and
4
4
broadcast.
broadcast.
4 broadcast. 7
7 collision and 4
collision, 4
broadcast. Okay.
broadcast.
Any difference?
4 broadcast.
Sorry.
Yes, 7 collisions and 3 broadcasts.
Okay.
9 collision, 5 broadcast.
9 collision and 5 broadcast.
5, yes.
Okay. Any difference? Any difference? Anyone? Guys, anyone?
Sir,
Yes.
9 collision and 6 broadcast.
9 collision and 6 broadcast. Okay, 1 second. 9 collision and 6 broadcast. Okay. Any difference?
9 collisions and 3 broadcast.
9 collision, 3 broadcast. Okay. Any difference, sir? Anyone, guys? Now, let us check. We know router has on like different collision and different broadcast. First of all, let us check the collision. So we have one collision on this port, one collision on this port, one collision on this port. So we have 1, 2, 3 collision here. Switch also has different collision on different ports. So we have one collision here, 4, 5 and 6. But hub works on same collision domain, one single. So if one collision domain is working over here, so the entire hub or this network will have one collision which is running over already, right? So we will have 6 collision domain. Okay, 6 collision domain. Now let us come to the broadcast domain. Router breaks broadcast 1, 2, 3. 3 broadcast is already created here. As we do not have any VLAN here, so the switch will also work on the same broadcast 3, and hub will also not break any broadcast. So this entire network will work on the same broadcast. So we have only 3. So whoever said 6 collision, 3 broadcast, they were correct. Now, if we have any confusion, please ask me, brother. Any confusion?
Earlier one, the previous one, you said 4 broadcast domains were there, but now you said 3 broadcast domains. So
in previous scenario, we have 4 broadcast domain.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
3 broadcast. In previous scenario also, when we had a scenario like router switch was connected with the 3 PC and we have a PC player. Okay. So this was the scenario in the previous, right? So 1 collision, 2 collision, 3 collision, 4, 5, 6. 6 collision was there, and 1, 2, 3. 3 broadcast was there. Got it? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello,
Yes.
sir.
Ranjit.
Sir, I am confused, sir.
Please ask me, what is your confusion?
Sir, here we have three broadcast on router
Uh-huh.
and one broadcast, sir, on switch.
No, it's already running in the same broadcast now. We have
Why,
router
sir?
already
Why?
started. Router already started a broadcast, and
Okay.
we know like switch will not break any broadcast until and unless we will create the VLAN. Okay, so it will
Okay.
work on the same broadcast because in this network a broadcast is already running, so it will not break the broadcast domain.
Okay. Then, sir, collision. Please explain the collision because in my mind collision is 7
How?
as per my
We
counting.
have
As
1, 2, 3 collision over here, right?
yes, sir.
So the collision which is running here, this port of the switch will work on the same collision, right? So
Yes,
1,
sir.
2, 3 here, 4, 5, 6, right? But hub will not break this collision domain because hub will work only single collision and single broadcast, right? So if already a collision domain is running over here, it will not break the collision domain.
Sir,
Yes.
can we take one more example?
Yeah, definitely we can take.
Thank you, sir.
Suppose we have a router here. It is connected with a switch, and this is also connected with a switch, and we have one PC here, 3 PC here, and one PC here. Now tell me collision domain and broadcast domain.
5 collision.
Okay, here is one more scenario, like we are creating one VLAN over here.
Okay.
This is VLAN 10. Now,
Here we have two switch,
yes, 2 switch.
and in which switch VLAN, sir?
In this switch, we are creating a VLAN 10, and this switch is connected with that VLAN. And then
Okay,
these
sir.
3 PCs are connected.
Okay, sir. So 1, 2, then 3, then 4. Sir, here 4 broadcast.
8 collision.
Since you,
One second, let me note. Collision and broadcast. 8 collision, okay? All right.
Yes, sir.
Anyone else?
Sir, 7
Collision and 2 broadcast.
7
दो
collision, 2
collision,
broadcast.
3 collision, 4 collision, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, 7 collision.
Uh-huh.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes. Billy
Sir,
Sikri.
7 collision.
Yes, tell me.
3 collision, 3 broadcast. Number of
3 collision, 3 broadcast, okay?
3 broadcast. Number of VLAN equals to number of broadcasts.
Okay.
7 collision, 4 broadcast.
7 collision, 4 broadcast. Those who saved 8 collision, how many broadcast? Brother, tell me the broadcast. How many broadcast? Those who said 8, 2 broadcast, right?
Yes.
Okay. Any different answer from this?
Sir, 7 collision, 4 broadcast. Yes, sir.
7 collision, 2 broadcast. It is already in the
Neither
option.
4. Sir, 4.
Okay, that is also in option. Any difference from this? Indrajit,
Another one
Krishna,
again.
Monty,
Mm.
Parmeshwar.
और
4 collision.
no sir, no sir, wait.
Okay.
Sir, 4 collision, 4 broadcast, sir.
4 collision and 4 broadcast. Okay. Any differ answer? Let us check now, right? Now, this is router. 1 collision.
7 and 3 sir.
7 and 3. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. Okay. 7 and 3.
Yes,
All right. Now,
Yes.
let us check. We have a router here. We have, first of all, we are checking the collision. 1 collision, 2 collision. Now we come to the switch. This is under 1 collision, right? So 1, 2. Here we have 3. Here we have 4, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So those who say 7 collision, they are correct. Okay. Now come to the broadcast domain. One broadcast, 2 broadcast. Now this switch will work on the same broadcast, but as we are creating the VLAN here, so one broadcast will divide here. Okay. So
Yes.
one broadcast is here, which is running in the entire network here, but here as we have created VLAN, so one broadcast would be here as well, and one broadcast would be here. So 1, 2, and 3. So
3.
3. So those who
7
say
and 3.
7 and 3, they are right.
Sir, I am confused in broadcast, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, I am confused in broadcast.
Why exactly you are getting confused in broadcast? Okay, just think about, like, think like this. Okay, let
Sir,
me clear.
if we are not create a VLAN,
Huh?
then how many broadcast here? Sir, can we
Two
count only
broadcast.
broadcast?
2
Can we
broadcast.
count?
If we will not create VLAN here, we will have only 2 broadcasts. One broadcast in this network, one broadcast in this network.
Sir, in the second picture, how many broadcast here? Only one?
In this picture.
In second picture. About Kirin.
Yes, this one, right? You are talking about?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, only 1 collision, 2 collision,
One
3
bro-
collision, 4 collision, and 1 broadcast.
One broadcast. Sir, okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can we take one more example?
Yes, sir.
I will give the assessment on that.